This episode of Gauges and Gasoline. We got 2005 Chevy Silverado. We're putting front pads and rotors on and changing a leaking master cylinder and a brake booster.
Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday. I'm headed to the shop. It's been about 2 weeks since we got back from vacay. I didn't film the first week back because I ain't gonna lie, we were really slammed. So I thought I'd make another video today. So definitely got an engine swap to do coming up this week, and I'm not sure what else. So we're gonna get to the shop and see what's on the list. Mary's gonna knock this ball joint out with 2 swings.
Oh, that's right.
So today I'm replacing the leaking master cylinder, which also leaked fluid into the brake booster. So it caused damage to the brake booster as well. So we're going to get a new brake booster and a new master cylinder. Alright, so now that the master cylinder is completely out of the way, we're going to disconnect the brake booster from inside and pull the brake booster out and wait for the new parts and reinstall.
If the master cylinder is pointed on an upwards angle, you'll get a bubble stuck in it, and you'll never get it out. You'll take it off anyway. Again, you'll be back into it. So I learned the hard way. Always bench bleed. Looks like a 13 wrench, dude. I'll take that. Got a hole on my shirt. you know, go grab me a little lunch.
Okay.
Probably gonna make me some eggs and sausage.
You can see how badly chewed up these brake pads are just from brakes locking up on them. So it's a good thing we're replacing these now. That just about wraps this one up, guys. Just got to throw the tires back on and this truck will be ready to roll. So this is Marion's Volkswagen Cabriolet. It's really nice, super clean car. I like it. I love that sound too. So he's got a couple things he's going to be doing to this car, a few mods and stuff, so we'll probably film most of those mods on the channel, so stay tuned for that. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button, share it with a friend. Hope you enjoyed the content. You know, work safe out there, and I will see you next time.